want to view Instagram stories without being seen on RealMe 15, this quick guide will show you how to do it safely. First, open your Instagram app on your RealMe device and log into your account. Now, before opening the story, make sure your internet connection is turned on. Let the stories load on your home screen. Once the stories are loaded, simply turn on airplane mode on your phone. This is important. After that, go back to Instagram and tap on the story you want to view. Since your internet is off, Instagram won't be able to register your view. Once you're done watching, close. This method helps you watch Instagram stories secretly without showing your name in the viewer list. Now, another option is using a secondary or dummy account, especially if the account is public. But the airplane mode method is the easiest and safest. So, yeah, that's how you can view Instagram stories anonymously on RealMe 15 series without using any third-party apps.